Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: red color, yellow color, green color, blue color, black color, and white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. It's first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, the alphabets of A. B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use yellow color. F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for God, G for grapes. Kids now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter, the alphabets of H, and use green color. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon, and use blue color. M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Small alphabets of A, small alphabets of B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Kids now draw numbers. Black color. First draw 1. O N E 1. 2 T W O 2. 3 T H R W 3. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.